In today's video, let me show you how to follow artists on Ditto. Welcome back to a new guide video on how Chenn. Following artists inside of Ditto is a great way so that you can stay updated on their new releases, recommended tracks as well as curated mixes. So the way that you follow artists is quite straightforward. You can search up the artist name on the top right on the search bar. Once you search for a particular playlist, it will open up the profiles, and right here you could see the option called follow. And as easy as that, you have now followed a artist. You can repeat the same process for other artists as well. Open up the profiles and you can click on the follow option. Now, since you followed these artists, you'll get regular updates or even recommended tracks inside of mixes and radio. So if you follow a lot of artists and have recent activities inside of Tidal, you'll be able to see curated mixes as well as recommended tracks. You'll also have a notification bar on the top right where you'll get updates from these artists that you follow. It says right here, follow your favorite artist and playlist to get the latest updates here. So that's all there is in following artists inside of Ditto. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this.